Hello friends, this is Parama. Welcome to my channel. At the end of this video, you'll be able to draw any kind of lips with this technique. We need white paper, 2B pencil, cotton bud, and eraser. That's it. Let's draw with me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to watch the upcoming tutorials. Here I am giving the measurements for your better understanding of proportion, but using measurement is not important. You can do it without measurements. For drawing the lips, at first you have to draw two ovals in lower lip and a circle middle of upper lip as I draw here. You have to draw this very lightly and softly, that drawing lines will be blend with your shading. So don't make any hard lines, it will damage or ruin your drawing when you try to erase it. Now remove the guidelines. Please follow my shading directions as shown here. Take a cotton bud and blend all shading to make it look smooth and realistic. You can use a blending stump or tissue paper instead of cotton bud. Use any of this, whatever is suitable for you. Gradually make it darker in middle of lips and bottom of lower lips. Take a cotton bud and blend all shading to make it look smooth and realistic. You can use a blending stump or tissue paper instead of cotton bud. Use any of these, whatever is suitable for you. Take a slice of eraser and create highlights. Now let's see how you can draw any kind of lips by using these easy techniques. Leave a comment below and tell me which one is your lips. 1, 2, 3 or 4. And let me know which tutorial you want to see next. I'll draw for you. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who are interested in art and creative things. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to watch the upcoming videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. See you in next video.